how to get aim assist on Nintendo Switch Fortnite. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to guide you through on how we can get the aim assist on our Nintendo Switch Fortnite. So let's just go ahead and look out on how we can do that. So first of all, grab your Nintendo Switch and make sure you have Fortnite installed on your Nintendo, and you're gonna go to the menu section of your Nintendo. After that, head over and click on settings, and you're gonna click on R on your Nintendo and swipe to the right until you are able to find your control settings under your controller. After you have successfully reached here, we're gonna go ahead and navigate this option right here called use advanced options. After you have successfully reached there, you're gonna select it by clicking on A on your Nintendo, and you're gonna select on after that and just turn it on. Just tap on apply, click on apply, and your Nintendo Switch aim assist has been turned on just by following the step. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.